Hey y'all, Erica with Time to Shrink. It is time to meal prep. It's that time again. Let's meal prep. I am already off to a good start because my husband is off work today because of Hurricane Michael, and the kids are off. So he already prepped 3 pans of bacon. Yay! All right, let's do some sausage balls. You need a cup of almond flour, 1 of these, and some cheese. I will link the recipe down below. Broccoli cheese soup time. Got my Instapot. I'm gonna hit it on saute. Oh, that's empty. All right, I'm gonna make some mayonnaise. This is 1 egg yolk, I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of this lemon juice. And I have never tried this before, y'all. I'm gonna try and make it with bacon fat. So this is a cup of bacon fat. Way. And I also put some salt in here. So this is an egg, salt, a little bit of lemon juice, immersion blender. It would help if you plug it in, Erica. Alright y'all, so far nothing's really happening. This bacon mayonnaise may not be happening. I'm trying. We'll go a little bit longer. Alright, we're gonna call that one a fail. I guess we could use this as like a sauce maybe? I don't know. I guess I'll try it next time with avocado oil. That's really how the recipe's written, but I thought I would try it. Oh well. Yum. There goes our power. Lovely. All right, y'all. Hurricane Michael, we just lost power. So,
Jackson, let's go.
Lovely.
Generator going.
Jason's gonna get the generator going for me. I'm gonna try and make the rest of this broccoli cheese soup in the kind of dark. I don't know if you'll even be able to see it.
I'll be out in the garage. We gotta.
Oh,
Oh, never mind.
it's back! Yay! Okay, cheese.
That's off now, babe.
Huh?
That's off.
Oh, you're right. Turn it back. I don't need it to be on. Alright. I'm gonna stick my immersion blender down in here and blend it up, and then we'll add some bacon. Y'all, I did not follow a recipe. This has not been my day. Bacon mayonnaise didn't work. Didn't follow a recipe for this, and it is like way liquidy. So I'm going to heat up some frozen broccoli and cauliflower, because that's what I have, and add it to this and see if we can thicken it up. I used way too much chicken stock, I think. So I'm sure it'll taste good, but it's really thin. So we're gonna try that. So pause. In the meantime, I'm gonna get my pork rinds for my mini meatloaf crushed up. I'm gonna use that for my mini meatloaf and for my chicken breading. And I don't have any plain, which is what I want to use. So I'm going to use this barbecue flavored for the what goes in the meatloaf. Doing it this way because I am too lazy to get out my food processor. So it's not working all that well. Alright, y'all. Oh, it's hot. Alright. I had one of these bags of steam fresh broccoli cauliflower. So I steamed it in this bag, and we're just gonna throw it in here and immersion blend it up and see if that thickens it up enough. Alright, y'all. I'm going to add, this is glucomannan. I'm gonna add like a fourth of a teaspoon. I'm gonna give it a taste. It tastes good, but it's kind of on the thin side. This is what happens when you don't follow a recipe, Erica. Sometimes it just doesn't work right. Trying to decide whether to do another thing of broccoli. If I do that, it's gonna make so much. I just should have used like half the amount of liquid, I think, y'all. This is gonna be the meal prep that couldn't. The meal prep fail. Y'all, I'm gonna eat this broccoli cheese soup now, take a little break, and then get back to meal prep. There it is. I put a little bit of bacon in it. So see, it's pretty thin, but it still has really good flavor, and I'm not gonna waste it. Y'all, I just finished that broccoli cheese soup, and it is a little on the thin side, but the flavor was on point. Like, it was really, really good. You could add some shredded chicken to it, and that would thicken it up and give you some added protein, but I just didn't feel like it. So I just topped it with a little bit of crumbly bacon, and that's gonna be lunches and snacks and whatever this week for us. So I'm excited for it, actually. Next time I will use less chicken broth, but it was good. Y'all, this meal prep is getting comical. I just opened my chicken thighs to cut them up into pieces for my casserole that I'm making. They're bone in, skin on. Did not realize. So I am not going to do the work of deboning and all of that. I just am not feeling that. So we are going to make something totally different with the chicken thighs for dinner tonight, but I'm not gonna meal prep it. I'm just gonna wait till dinner tonight. So that's off the menu. So now we're going to make the mini meatloaves. Let's see if I can do that with any success. Can't seem to get much done today with any success, so let's see. We are going to make some barbecue style cheese stuffed meatballs, and that is going to be for dinner one night this week. So let's get to it. Hopefully this part of meal prep goes better, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's been a day. This is the pork rinds that I crushed up. They're barbecue flavor. So we are going to add some of that. I'm wishing that I had crushed these up in my food processor because there's still some kind of big crumbles, which I don't love. But that's how my day's going, y'all. I'm gonna take some of these big pieces out. Oh my gosh. So we're just gonna get this all combined. I'm gonna add in some barbecue rub. This is a Trader Joe's barbecue rub. And oh my gosh! I just dropped barbecue sauce all over creation. Oh my god. Today is a disaster. Alright, I'm gonna add some of this G. Hughes barbecue sauce. A couple tablespoons. I'm gonna take some of this G. Hughes, and if you had a little paintbrush, I would paint it on, and I have one, but I can't find it. That's just how today is going. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to kind of paint on some of this barbecue sauce. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. And we're going to preheat the oven at 375, which I should have done already, but I forgot. All right, oven is preheating, so I'm gonna set these back, clean up, and get on to the next part of meal prep. Put these out of the way for a second. Y'all, what else can not be right? I swear, didn't I say let's preheat the oven? I just went to look at the oven again. It's not turned on. Oh my gosh. Bake. Start. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Alright, look at this egg, y'all. They didn't peel that one very nicely. Thanks, Costco. Y'all, why is everything so hard today? I cannot open these. Oh my God. Y'all, I swear, I was pounding this to like bring the mustard down and the top burst and it all went flying in my face. What else is gonna happen today while I try and cook? The mustard can exploded in my face. Oh, and there goes the camera. Can you set it back up? I gotta see if there's pieces of this mustard can in my eggs. Oh my gosh.
What?
I'm just saying, oh my gosh. Today has been a disaster. Can you pick up these little pieces of exploded top? There's one there and one over there. I was looking all over for my egg plate. I think that was a pre-fire thing. I'm always missing things, and then because I know I have them, like I know I have them. I had them, then we had a house fire, and I didn't replace everything. You think you did until you're looking for something. Don't have a deviled egg plate anymore. Alright, meatballs are done. Looks like the cheese kind of came out of them a little bit, but that's okay. Alright y'all, this is the spread for meal prep. I think I'm throwing in the towel. Not gonna get any of the desserts done on this meal prep, I don't think, unless I get a second wind in a couple hours and then add it on. But this is what I'm doing. Also haven't prepped lunches for the kids yet. I will have to do that later also. This has been a crazy day. It has just been one mess over another after another.